The letter C is always confusing in English. We sometimes pronounce it as an S and sometimes as K. Let's have a look today. Call, cell, city, and again camera, cinema, and cyber. Isn't confusing? Okay, welcome to the English City. CO2202, better better. Your English gonna be better now. And I'm always Dave. Okay, if letter C is followed by A, it sounds K, or it makes the sound K. And let's have a look at the example. Cat, can, call, cap, cape, cancel, case, camel, Canada, capsule, and California. Alright? And again, if letter C is followed by O, it also makes the sound K. Example: connect, collect, Coke, Coca-Cola, cow, coast, college, court, colleague. Isn't interesting? Yes. And again, if letter C is followed by U, it also makes the K sound. Example: cut, cup, cub, cube, cup, cuisine, cult, cumin, cutlet, customer, and cute. And again, if the letter C is followed by E, it makes sh sound, not k. Keep in mind. And the example: cell, scent, center, cereal, certain, century, cement, celebrate. And again, if the letter C is followed by I, it is sh sound, right? And the example: city, cinema, circle, site, sybil, cigar, circulate, citizen, circumstance. And again, if letter C is followed by Y, it makes sh sound again. Oh yeah, the examples: cycle, cyber, cyst, cyclone, cypress, cyme, symbol, cynical, Cynthia. And last but not the least, if letter C is followed by LKROT, it makes K sound, not sh. Alright? Okay, let's have a look at some examples. Clap, class, clock, cock, cripple, crane, correct, connect, and collect. Hope you like it. If you have any question, queries, or comment box is all yours. Good day. Okay, good night.